Hello guys, my name is Andi Setyo Nugroho. I'm gonna review my keyboard. This is keyboard from Logitech. As you can see, this is my keyboard, yeah. Okay, let's check it out. Hello guys, I'm gonna review this keyboard. This is the look from the outer box. As you can see, like this is the stem they're supporting. Then this is this is like that, and then I'm gonna open it. And then we got a keycap spooler, and then the book from Logitech. Like there's say thanks to who's about this keyboard. Then there's a warranty book. I think this is a useless book, and I'm not gonna use it. And then you can see this keyboard. It looks so cool. You can see like this on the back, like that. It's a cool keyboard I've ever had. Okay, I'm gonna plug it to my PC. As you can see, these keyboards have lighting like RGB. We can change the RGB from the software like this, like that. You can see it's the cool RGB lighting. This keyboard is designed for professional player, and then this keyboard have good performance for playing for games. Then I'm gonna pull the keycaps. You can see we use this keycap puller to pull the keycaps. For example, I'm gonna pull the escape button. Okay, for example, F1. Like this, you can see the switch. This is the X blue clicky switch. Yeah. It's like that. Nothing special for this keyboard. It's not a keyboard for aesthetic. This is the design for gamer, like professional, for esports gamer. Talking about the price, the price is between like 1.5 billion rupiah, and that's a expensive gaming keyboard. I think that's all from this keyboard. Thank you for watching me, and then goodbye.